Hello, today I'll show you 3 ways to connect the OpenAudio HoloWHAS series multi-room amplifiers to Home Assistant. These methods are manual installation, HACS installation, and Matter installation. This guide works not only for the HoloWHAS Plus and HoloWHAS Ultra, but also for other models in the series. This amplifier allows you to power up to 16 speakers and subwoofers across 8 different zones, and the Home Assistant integration provides powerful new ways to control your audio system. To begin the manual installation for the HoloWHAS system, open your Studio Code server in Home Assistant. Navigate to your config directory and locate the custom_components folder. Right-click on the folder and create a new directory. Once the folder is ready, right-click it and select Upload. Choose all the integration files you downloaded. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the full integration structure ready to go. After adding new files to the folder, Home Assistant needs to be restarted to recognize the new integration, and select Restart Home Assistant. Confirm the restart in the pop-up window. Your system will go offline for a moment while it reloads. Wait for the connection lost message to clear and for your dashboard to reappear before moving to the final step. Now that the system has rebooted, we can add the hardware to your dashboard, and click the Add Integration button and select it from the list. A configuration window will appear asking for the IP address of your unit. Enter the device's IP address and click Submit. Home Assistant will now communicate with the hardware and automatically discover all available audio zones. As you can see, zones like the living room or kitchen appear as individual media player entities. From here, you can easily rename your zones for better organization or start controlling your music, volume, and power states immediately. Your HoloWHAS multi-room system is now fully integrated and ready for your smart home automations. If you prefer an easier way to manage updates, the HACS method is the way to go. Open HACS from your sidebar. In the top right corner, click the 3-dot menu and select Custom Repositories. Paste the GitHub URL provided by OpenAudio, select Integration as the category, and click Add. This tells HACS where to find the HoloWHAS software. Now that the repository is added, you'll see HoloWHAS appear in the store. Click on it to open the Details page and click Download in the bottom right corner. A pop-up will appear. Just hit Download again. HACS will now automatically place all the necessary files into the correct folders for you, saving you the trouble of manual file transfers. Just like with the manual method, Home Assistant needs a restart to initialize the new code. Navigate to Settings, restart the system, and confirm the action. Once the system is back up, it's time to link the hardware, and click Add Integration. Enter the IP address of your unit and click Submit. Home Assistant will instantly find all your audio zones, and you're ready to start automating your setup. Finally, the newest and perhaps most convenient standard, Matter. To get started, open your sidebar, go to Settings, and head straight into Devices and Services. Select Add Matter Device. Now, grab your device and aim your camera at the QR code. Make sure it's well lit, and wait for that satisfying checkmark. Home Assistant will start generating credentials and establishing a secure handshake. Give the system a few seconds to finalize the connection. Once you see the device info page for your OpenAudio bridge, you're officially in business, with all your serial and firmware details right there. Finally, head back to your dashboard. Your bridge has automatically populated your audio zones as light entities. You can now toggle zones on or off and slide the brightness to adjust your volume levels with ease. Everything is synced and ready to go. I hope this video helps you set up your amplifier for home or business use, allowing you to achieve high-quality audio in every room with simple and easy control through Home Assistant.